My name is Sara Harris-Davies and I play Rita. Because during the miners' strike in '84, I was with the theatre company, Theatre West Glamorgan, and we travelled the South Wales valleys then, and you saw the impact it had. And I think it really shook me, you know, that community spirit, you know, the women that were on the picket line that were never shown, because Thatcher didn't want anybody to see any women on the picket line because they would sympathise with them. So the press were given a direct thing, no women to be shown at all, only miners fighting. So it was quite interesting. I hope that they take that feeling they had back in '89. You know, some people might have said, oh, you know, best thing ever happened to them, and others could be quite angry, and others could be quite passionate about it. And hopefully for the younger generation, it'll be something, oh my goodness, how dare they? Why did they do that? So that they can question something. So I hope that they'll, even though they'll enjoy it, I hope they will question it as well. Come and see it because it works on so many different levels. It works on a political level, it works on a good theatre level, it works on, it's a good night out because it's, you know, the humour is in it. And yeah, it's a very rounded production and you can gain a lot from it.